Are you tired of constantly battling stubborn gray roots, expensive salon touch-ups, or harsh chemical hair dyes?
If you look at top-performing long-form beauty videos right now, millions of people are searching for the exact same thing. Realistic, at-home solutions to manage and reverse gray hair naturally.
But before we talk about how to fix it, we need to answer a fundamental biological question. Why does hair actually turn gray in the first place? Is it just inevitable aging? Or is there a molecular mechanism happening underneath our scalps? Let's dive into the science.
To understand gray hair, we have to look at the hair follicle melanin unit. Deep inside each hair follicle are specialized pigment-producing cells called melanocytes. These cells inject a pigment called melanin into the keratin protein cells that form your actual hair strand. Melanin comes in two main types: eumelanin, which gives dark brown or black shades, and pheomelanin, which produces red and yellow tones. As we age, a major biochemical shift occurs right inside the follicle. Research shows that our hair cells naturally produce tiny amounts of a byproduct called hydrogen peroxide. When we are young, our bodies produce an abundant protective enzyme called catalase, whose sole job is to instantly break down that hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen. However, over time, due to chronological aging and oxidative stress, the expression and activity of catalase plummet. Without enough catalase, hydrogen peroxide accumulates massively inside the follicle. This excess H2O2 creates an internal bleaching effect.
So how do we target this process without resorting to traditional permanent dyes that damage hair structure? Today, we are looking at a topical science-informed approach, the Mayraki anti-gray hair color restoring treatment.
Mechanically, the product comes in a convenient pump bottle and includes a specialized applicator brush designed to distribute the formula cleanly from the scalp down to the roots without getting all over your hands. Formulations like this are typically designed to be vegan, paraben-free, and sulfate-free, utilizing a mild, non-overpowering scent rather than the heavy chemical fumes you get with standard box dyes. You have flexibility with how you apply it. You can either use it on freshly washed hair or directly onto dry hair if you are trying to skip a wash day. Using the precision brush or your fingertips, you work the treatment directly into the targeted root areas. Once applied, the process is remarkably straightforward. You simply blow dry your hair. Heat activation helps set the treatment into the cuticle layers, and because it is designed to work progressively, there is no messy rinsing required. Once your hair is fully dried, it maintains a completely normal, lightweight texture. No heavy oils, no stiffness, and no sticky residue. Moving forward, consistent application allows the treatment to interact with the hair shaft and follicular environment. Over time, instead of an abrupt, harsh line of demarcation like you get with standard permanent color, you see a gradual, natural transition back toward your original tone.
If you want to move away from harsh chemical dyes and try a natural, science-backed approach to managing your grays at home, check the link in the description box below for all the details.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.